Hey guys, me Blaine. I'm back again, and today I needed to get some kind of special accessory for underneath my seats to help store some items that I might pick up when I'm out shopping, or if sometimes I need a place to keep an umbrella. So what I have is I got this under the seats storage containers that will go underneath my seats. I have a 2020 Tesla Model Y, and they're to simply just go under there, and I'll be able to store things like an umbrella, some smelly stuff, some kind of sprays, Febreze or whatever, Kleenexes, anything like that I think I might need in my car. I can store them underneath. So anyways, let's get started here and just take it out of the box and go from there. All right, so got the box here, came directly from Amazon. This is brought to us from Kunist. Okay, the link will be down below in the description if you're interested in the same kind of storage containers that I have for my Model Y. If you're interested in them, the link will be down below. You just click on it and you can purchase them straight from Amazon. Okay, to start off with, it's pretty simple. It looks like just a normal little container here. It does have a lid. You got a pretty nice container here that's going to be able to hold quite a bit. The material feels like a soft, rubbery plastic type. A little bit of a design here on the front. Actually, yeah, it is a little bit more of a rubbery material, which I like. The top is going to be a hard plastic, but it seems pretty good. The lid fits on there pretty good. So really all I'm going to do is just take this, slide this underneath my seat, and see what it does. Just see it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just put my seat all the way back so I can get in here a little bit easier. All right, they fit pretty good. You're just going to simply go in there like this. Put them in there. That's your lid. Get to it. You can get to whatever you need to put in there. And put the seat back where it belongs. All right, here it is installed. This is on my driver's side. You can see it's in there. Looks pretty good. All right, let's check out the passenger side. All right, to do the passenger side, let's put the seat all the way back. Take my passenger side one. Goes right in there. Pretty good. Take the lid. Look at that. Not too bad. The only thing I would recommend is possibly, if it needed it, right here on the sides, maybe put some Velcro pieces right here, and then that way it can stick to the sides. Okay? If you end up thinking that it's going to slide on you, just simply put a piece of two-sided Velcro right here, put it right there, and it'll be fine. But otherwise, put it in there, and with my floor mat right here, it's not going to come out. Okay, and it's not going back. It only moves about a ½ an inch, if that. So it's not too bad. Let's put the seat back. Well, guys, that one is pretty simple. Took me not even a minute to install them. They fit right in there. Like I said, if you think that it's going to slide out on you, or if you notice that it does, simply just go to a hardware store, get some pieces of Velcro, stick it on the sides, and then that way when you put it in there, they're not going to move. Okay, but because I have my floor mats, my 3M floor mats, where they kind of come up a little bit in the front, it's keeping it from coming out. Once the box is in there, it's not going to come out. And anything I put in there, like from rags to umbrellas to whatever you need to put in there. I mean, the website says you can even put in fish. I think this is a little bit made more for overseas, because I don't think I'm going to be putting any fish inside my storage containers. But anything that you might have, fishing gear, you could put in there, but then again, it'd probably end up smelling after a while. But anyways, guys, hey, if you like this product and it's something you're interested in, the link will be down below in the description. Check it out. Once again, guys, be safe out there, keep driving, and most of all, have fun. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.